Hi everyone, this is just a free engine that I got today. I think it's off of a leaf blower or something like that. Somebody I know had this engine laying around and I said, can I have it? I said, sure, take it. There's a fuel tank for it, but it's somewhere else. And I've sort of hooked up a redneck gas tank to it, perhaps. And I just got it going. Sounds pretty awesome. Yeah, it sort of came in bits, so I just threw it all together and see what would happen. When I first put fuel in it, it didn't go, so I sprayed a little bit of quick start in it, and that seemed to turn it over. So yeah, this will probably be the new engine that's going on my motorized bike, which is in another video. See you guys.